All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back in our artificial intelligence course, and we're still in our uncertainty 2 module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we were still doing the sampling method. We finished that up, so I kept it kind of short. I didn't want to start a new method before we moved on from sampling because there was still a little bit left to explain. So I'll do that for tonight, and then we'll pick up on something new tomorrow. But tonight we went over, we went over likelihood weighting. Let me go to this. All right, so with likelihood weighting, we follow a slightly different procedure, and the goal is avoiding having to throw out samples that didn't match the evidence. So this is the steps to likelihood weighting. We start by fixing the values for evidence variables, sample the non-evidence variables using conditional probabilities in the Bayesian network, and the weight can sample by its likelihood, the probability of all the evidence. Now, what would this look like? If we ask the same question, what is the probability of light rain given the train is on time? We would get this kind of equation here. And when we start the process, we are going to start by fixing the evidence variable. We are already going to have it in our sample that the train is on time. That way we don't have to throw out anything. And only sample things that we know. The value of the variables that are our evidence are what we expect them to be. And that would look like this here. So you see we have the train on time. That's going to be our fixed evidence variable. That's what we provided to the equation. Everything else is randomly picked. Rain, light, maintenance on the track, yes. Appointment, we attended it. But the train was the only thing that we fixed ourselves. That means we inputted this evidence into the equation ourselves, and everything else was randomly picked. Now that's what we've been over for the night, and we did finish up our sampling method. So we're gonna move on to something else tomorrow. Like I said, I didn't want to start something new while I was still doing the sampling. So yeah, we kept it short and sweet for the night. But yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.